You are borrowing energy from your future self. Stop relying on caffeine lies and start understanding the biological machinery that drives your daily focus. Neuroscience reveals 3 strange but powerful secrets to unlock superhuman concentration without jitters or crashes. Are you ready to rewire your entire system today? Throw away that mug. We are moving beyond temporary fixes to activate deep-seated biological triggers that keep you sharp, relentless, and tireless for hours. Secret 1 is NSDR, or non-sleep deep rest. It is a powerful tool to reset your brain's internal chemistry when your motivation begins to fade. Andrew Huberman has proven that entering a state of deep relaxation, without actually sleeping, can effectively restore your baseline dopamine levels and cognitive clarity. Instead of reaching for another espresso when you feel exhausted, dedicate 10 minutes to resetting your autonomic nervous system through structured, deep, guided rest. Just 10 minutes of this protocol is equivalent to 2 hours of deep sleep regarding cognitive recovery. It is the ultimate biological shortcut for professionals. Your brain is not a machine that runs forever. It needs strategic pauses to flush out metabolic waste and prepare for the next wave of work. Notice the immediate shift in your mental clarity. You are no longer fighting fatigue. You are operating from a replenished and balanced neurochemical baseline. Secret 2 is the Ultradian Rhythm. Your brain does not operate like a marathon runner. It works in distinct, high-intensity cycles of 90 minutes each. After 90 minutes of deep focus, your brain accumulates adenosine, a chemical that creates brain fog and slows down your processing speed and creativity. To maintain peak performance, you must follow the 90-20 rule. Work intensely for 90 minutes, then step away from every single electronic device completely. This 20-minute break is not a luxury, it is a biological necessity. It allows your brain to clear toxins and prepare for the next peak. Most people try to push through the slump, but this only leads to diminishing returns and burnout. Work with your biology, not against its design. By mastering these cycles, you ensure that every minute spent at your desk is high-quality output, rather than just staring blankly at a screen. Secret 3 involves visual anchoring and temperature. Your eyes are an extension of your brain. Narrowing your focus physically triggers your mental alertness. Staring at a fixed point for 60 seconds signals your brain to release norepinephrine. This neurotransmitter is the key to immediate, razor-sharp, cognitive arousal. Combine this with a sudden drop in body temperature. Cold water exposure causes a massive spike in adrenaline that lasts for hours without any crash. This physiological shock forces your system into a state of high readiness. It is a natural, powerful alternative to the chemical stimulation of caffeine. When you control your visual focus and your core temperature, you take the steering wheel of your brain's arousal system and drive it forward. No more brain fog, no more mid-afternoon slumps. Just pure biological power harnessed through simple, science-backed physical triggers that anyone can perform anywhere. You do not lack the capability to achieve your goals. You simply lack the correct physiological method. Your biology is your ultimate secret superpower. Master your focus, master your life. Start implementing these 3 biological hacks today and watch your productivity soar beyond all previous limits.